as opposed to React where we would have to install React Router DOM and then define the routes in our app level. The way Next.js does it is via pages. So the index page is the home route. If I was to create another page /blog, so if I created a blog.js page, that would create a /blog on my page. But for now, we would get a 404 error like so. And we'll look at 404 errors in the next video. So what I want to do is I want to route my header. So the links that I want to create. So if I go back onto my home page, so the links that I want to create is when I click on this logo here, I want it to go to the home route. I want to create a menu route, so /menu. And the other page that we're building is the location. So if I go into the Next.js docs and search link, we get the next link over here. So all I need to do for a very basic link is I need to import the link. So if I copy this and go into my header file, I want to import the link, and then all I need to do is give it a href. So copy. So within my logo container, the image would have a link href of the /. So when I click on the logo, I want it to go to the home directory like so. And then if I just copy this again, so the our menu I would want to go to the /menu page. And then if I close it off again, and then I also want to have the location routed to /location. And I also want to close this link off as well. So now I have successfully imported the link route within my header. Now what I need to do is create the corresponding pages for these routes. So I already have the /route already pre-built. Now I want to create the /location. So if I create a new file in my pages folder and name that location.js, again rfce, to create the functional component, and I want to give my function name and default export as a capital L for location. And in this div, I'm going to render out a h1 saying location page, and going to do the same for the menu page. So new file, menu.js, rfce tab, capital M for menu, and then I'm going to render a h1 saying menu page. And if I save all now, I now have created the location page, which if I click on here, I've got onto the location page. If I go back and click on our menu, now I have the our menu page. Just a few tweaks with my header file. I need to make sure the A tags are in line with the other tags, or the P tags on the page. So what I need to do is go into my header component in the style. So on the container element, any A tag within there, it has to have a color of white. So if I just copy the color of white here, paste that in and save, it's turned white. And I also want it to have a text decoration of none, so that will remove the underline. And for every element on the header, I want to have a pointy eye cursor on there, so that when I hover over, I know it's a clickable element. So if I now save, I can now see the cursor pointing, and my routing is now working as well. In the next video, I'm going to import the fonts that Costa have on their website into our build also.